Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to do a mod that I'm not quite sure how it's going to turn out, but we're going to go through this. I'm going to try to get this blue LED inside the air intake. So we're going to have to go through this together and find out what we get into and just go for it. But you're along for the journey, so let's go. So the first order of business is we're going to have to take this air box out and see how we're going to position the light inside there. Alright, disconnect our sensor. Hose. This off. There we go. So I'm going to go ahead and unscrew this to release it, and I'll be right back. Alright, so what I'm going to attempt to do is position the light so you can see it through the window. I had to take the air filter out so I can make some room here and do some work. But what I'm planning to do is drill into the back of the housing. There's a rubber grommet that goes in there, so that'll plug the hole and the light goes through here. So mount that somewhere around here. That might do the trick. So I measured 1.5 inches down from the top, kind of eyeballed where I wanted it in the window, about here. And looks like it's 5/8 deep. This grommet is 5/8 diameter, sorry. And so I'm going to use this step drill bit, go to 5/8, and we'll go from there. A little more. Just keep going a little bit at a time till you get the right diameter. There we go. That's a good fit. Very good. Okay, looks like we got a good fit. See how deep this is, our chance. It's actually looks to be 1/116. So this little drill bit came in handy, so I was able to drill to size. So let's go ahead and insert our grommet on the inside. There. Perfect. That's perfect. All right, we'll insert our light. And by the way, I did test this light, so it does work. All right, after a little finagling, I was able to get it through. So you can see, nice fit and finish. And inside here, you can see the grommet and the light, LED light. So that is not going anywhere. And that should show up quite nicely through the window. Yeah. All right. Next, we try to wire it up. Okay, guys, I'm going to show you what I did here. As you can see, well, maybe that there's a blue LED light in there. It's hard to see in it. Yeah, this camera's really not showing it, but there is. And what I did, I made a connection here so I can disconnect this piece to get the air filter out if I need to. So there's some connections here that I can disconnect the cables, and over here, see, I hardwired them to the back light. So we got cables, negative, positive, blue's positive, negative, it's black. So like I said, I'm able to disconnect them if I need to. And let's see, I ran the lights, ran the cables all the way through here, so you can follow, all the way across, down underneath, up to here. And what I did, up to here, and what I did is posi tapped the two lines here. One's a negative line, and one's the positive line. And what that does, the switch here, when it turns off, I press the switch, it turns off all the lights. Let release, lights are on. You can see the LED here, lights off, the lights on. Alright, so just give you an idea there of how I did that. Now I'm going to go ahead and wire this all up and tighten it up, and then show you what it looks like when it's done. Alright guys, here she is, all buttoned up and tucked away nicely. See the LED in there? Pretty cool. Gives it a nice little flare. I'll turn the lights out and see what that looks like. So yeah, the AFE powered air intake. If you want to put a blue LED light in there, that's how you'll do it. Everything looks clean. Cool little effect. And I got the rest of my lights here in the engine bay. And when I press this latch here, all lights go out. Isn't that nice? Even the blue LED. On, off, on, off. Just that easy.